So you need a jewel shape, but all you have are a package of hexagons. That's fine. Let me show you how to make a jewel. Now this project we're doing right now is all solid color fabrics, so this will work really nice. Take your hexagon and draw from point to point and split that into 6 smaller equilateral triangles. They will have the same size side as your current hexagon. Make sure you finger press, fold those corners around and press again. That will give you a nice sharp corner. Make sure to baste all your corners the exact same way. And then of course, once you get to your hexagon, you'll go ahead and finger press the hexagon, wrap it around, and baste it as well. So you can see the triangle is done. I'm going to go ahead and baste that hexagon. So here we go. Almost done with the hexagon. And then the magic begins. I'm just going to tie a knot in this corner. And I'm going to line up right sides together, get our points to match up exactly. And I'm just going to whip stitch from corner to corner. And that is the jewel shape. And it's pretty amazing. And if you're doing a solid color and use solid thread, you're not even going to notice that it's 2 different pieces, or you may like the characteristic of it in the design. So I'm jumping ahead a little bit so you don't have to watch me sew the entire seam, but here you go. This is the jewel shape. I hope you like it. Please like and subscribe. Please do the sew along with me. Thanks. The sew along is Day and Tonight, Fire and Ice. All links are in the show notes. Happy sewing.